Hey there friends, this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a dissolve effect between your clips inside of CapCut. So as you can see, I've got two clips loaded into my timeline right here. And let's say I want to add a dissolve effect to make this transition a lot more visually pleasing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to our transitions tab here at the top, and then here, you're going to be able to see all the transitions that are available inside of CapCut. So you have your different categories and your search bar here at the top. To make things a bit faster, I'm going to use the search bar here at the top, and I'm simply going to type in dissolve. So you're going to see all the types of transitions that involve a dissolve or maybe a fade. You have some that are free and some that require the premium subscription. So here, take a look. We have a few that to choose from. We have mix, we have dissolve too. And overall, I'd say I like the look of dissolve too. Really, really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop this over into our timeline. And once that's done, we go ahead and play this. We should be able to see our dissolve effect really, really nicely. So we can also change the duration as long as we make sure that the transition is selected. To do so, just click on the box of the transition in the timeline, and you should be able to view the properties window here at the right hand side of our screen. So let's change the duration slider a little bit. Maybe we can make it a bit longer. That way it's a bit more gradual. And if we go back and watch the video over, it should properly reflect. So really quick and really easy. There are plenty of other dissolve effects that you can choose from, like here, here, or here. And really, it's just a matter of personal preference. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.